Alright guys, welcome to train episode number 18. I'm here with Iliya Afshari. Go follow him on Instagram, link right here or wherever. It's somewhere, it'll be in the description as well. He's gone nuts. We're gonna get started. I've already had a massive session today, killed myself, but we're gonna try get some good clips. So enjoy the video. Alright guys, welcome back to episode 18 of the train series. We're here in a nice new location. It looks really nice actually. I might train here more often just for the scenery. Just warming up with some around the worlds. Like I said a bit earlier, I had killed myself with a massive session earlier, like a huge basic session. So the reason my styles so often, my basics were constantly failing, is because of that. I was so sore, I was surprised I couldn't even move my legs. But yeah, it was a pretty nice session. I was racking out the Abbas related stuff. Like usually my Abbas sucks, but it was going mental today, landing some tricks I haven't landed for ages. And yeah, here's my Abbas warm up. I'll try to do 5 Abbases. Should I do in or out?
Make combo out.
So that was actually my record. My record was like 5 or 6 before, but I got 9 there, so I was so happy with that. There, the style, less than acceptable, absolutely horrendous. There, Lemon's Abbas, haven't done that for ages, and I managed to work my way up to Beck Lemon's Tizani. So big improvement just in the one session. And yeah, basics just... like, this is hard to watch. The style is so bad. Oh. Anyway, we'll just accept it and move on. So also there were a lot of weirdos. Like there was this Asian family who had no personal space, so like the kids were just running right next to us, which you'll see in some like little outtakes later on in the video at the end. And they were really annoying, and the mother was shouting stuff. She sounded angry. We didn't know what was happening, but it was kind of creepy. And then later on some women came. And it was a weird session. Like, I'm not going to go into detail, it's just not worth explaining. Yeah, Beck Lemon's Tizani whipping out there. Not bad at all. And yeah, I think I'm basically going to stop talking now and just kind of intervene when it's needed. So just enjoy. Oh, that was massive. Like, I committed to that, and that was an Alt Magellan attempt but fail. This is a cool little combination. Yes. Iliya blessing the internet with his crazy dance moves. Almost a ballet. Here doing some team combos. We haven't done them for a while. There, I accidentally kicked Iliya in the leg because I forgot to tell him I was doing a Tizani, but it was all good in the end. They're landing intense, like 7 revs there. Ultimate team combos, love it. That was a cool combination. Basically all of these are kind of like outtakes, so I'm just going to leave it here. If you enjoyed the video, drop it a like and subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this location, and having Iliya in the videos. He's going to be improving, I'm going to be improving, we both going to be improving, and so he can easily join in a few more train videos. And I'm just going to let you enjoy some of these kind of random funny outtakes. So yeah, see ya. Just.
Oh, juicy.
You can definitely get to what? It looked like you were going for like standing soul store. Alright, you ready? That could have been cool.
Oh crap. I'll get both,
Kneecap.
Or not. Oh yeah, they go right. That's the biggest
You
troll.
must actually be joking. I'll whip out a kickflip if you really want. Shut up. Yeah, that's right, you swim away.
Start again.
The first step is
Mommy, you're there now, quick!
solid palette first try. I was close, we just missed the last two reps. I'm quite scared, Iliya.
Look, silent.
I know.